In 2016, the UNDP of the Kyrgyz Republic launched a new program of the Integrated Development in Osh Oblast, funded by the government of the Russian Federation. The main objective of the program is to provide assistance to the Kyrgyz government in order to address root causes of social tensions and secure sustainable human development. The program duration is 4 years from 2016 through 2019 and has a total budget of $3.5 million. The program delivers a package of coherent interventions in 30 villages in 17 municipalities in 3 districts of the Osh province, selected based on the thorough socioeconomic analysis. Taking a comprehensive approach, the program is focused on the following key outputs: sustainable and resilient agriculture, tourism, trade, and green technology promotion; better access to sustainable water supply for rural communities; grown welfare and resilience of rural communities in target districts through rehabilitating socioeconomic infrastructure; improved vocational education in target districts leading to employment growth; increased local communities' resilience to natural calamities. Local communities in the pilot municipalities are being actively involved in the program implementation, needs assessment, and prioritization. In 2017 alone, 71 projects based on the strategic and participatory local sustainable development plans have been implemented, totaling $460,000. The government's contribution exceeded $240,000, or 10% to 63% of the state project costs. Over 12,028 members of rural communities, representatives of the local self-government, local bodies of public administration, farmers, and entrepreneurs have been able to strengthen their skills and capacities in the area of strategic planning, business development, agriculture, water management, procurement, etc. An entrepreneurship support center created jointly with the local government bodies, businesses, associations, OSCE, GIZ, and UNDP. The mission of the center is to provide consulting support and training services to local entrepreneurs. In addition, one-stop shop services are made available to the population in 4 municipal centers.
As just demonstrated by street theater, whenever you come to a rural area, you get an evidence of people coming to an Ail Akhmatu's office and not being able to get an appointment with the right person, whereupon they take time to visit the province's capital, which translates into spending another 200 some. The establishment of a support center therefore is both relevant and critically important. The best thing about it is that Ail Akhmatu and UNDP jointly effort to implement this activity. Some villages may have no computers or internet and should always remind ourselves to build capacities of municipalities staff in charge of service delivery.
Nowadays, one can get access to all necessary services and consultations by paying a single visit to the office of an Ail Akhmatu. The center takes a one-stop shop approach, for it significantly simplifies administrative procedures, improves mobility and efficiency of the local government, and thus helps prevent corruption. 13 local initiatives supported for the development of tourism-oriented businesses and infrastructure created income generation opportunities for 46 people, including 31 women.
One of the priority tasks of the government of the Kyrgyz Republic and Tourism Department is the regional development. In this regard, we would like to emphasize the relevance, necessity, and importance of this project, as the development of rural tourism is currently one of the most socially important types of business, which helps to develop infrastructure, brings profit to the local population, and creates additional jobs, and helps to preserve historical and cultural heritage as well as ecology through the sustainable development of rural areas. We would like to develop tourism in Kyrgyzstan as a whole, so that ethno-villages like ours will be also organized in the southern regions of the country. In the future, we will be in touch with the participants of the workshop to be able to exchange and share ideas and experience, and also recommend visiting Osh region to the tourists, so that they will learn southern ethno-cultural program.
Based on labor market assessment findings, new programs of demand-driven professional education are being implemented with selected vocational education schools in order to improve employment opportunities for the rural youth. Over 5,000 members of local rural communities rely upon energy-efficient resources based on the Green Village Initiative. Resumable energy sources have been put into operation in 6 business entities and 9 social infrastructure locations. Over 33,000 citizens have secured access to safe drinking water. The program has contributed to capacity building at the level of local self-government bodies, rural drinking water consumer associations, water user associations, in areas of irrigation system, effective management, and drinking water supply systems. 2 district sanitary epidemic stations have been equipped with water quality testing facilities. With the help of this equipment, we can conduct various chemical analysis, which provides certain fumes and gas without hesitation. And this is harmful for the person who conducts testing. And now we can ensure the safety of our personnel. 220,000 people were able to get better access to high-quality diagnostic services and treatment of cardiovascular disease. 10 healthcare providers have been equipped with electrocardiography apparatus with the automatic decoding function ECG and automatic external defibrillators AED made in Russia. An automated information system, electronic JAIT committee, has been developed and implemented for better pasture management and monitoring in 3 municipalities. Finally, an assessment of the risks and vulnerabilities of the population and infrastructure within the plot municipalities to natural hazards has been conducted, the findings of which are going to be used for the development of model risk profiles applied for natural disaster forecasting and monitoring systematic surveillance of disaster hazard sources and informational analytical support underpinning the decision-making related to protection of the population and territories against natural calamities, thus leading to improve the local community's resilience to natural disasters and climate change.